wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys, and welcome back to the show. First of all, if you guys follow me on Instagram, that you should be, you guys noticed today I'm super proud twice. Joel got his license and Flequito's going to prom. And we tried waiting for his date, but guess what? She was running on Cuban time and I had to go because today we're doing a show, a freestyle music show, and you guys are coming along for the ride, and we're running late on that thing too. So, you know, check out the missus. What do you guys think? She's ready for the show? Are you guys ready for the show? So let's go on the road. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's still daytime. Gotta let the missus in. Oh, she looking fly today. Look at that. Woo wee! Alright guys, so we're excited because if you guys noticed and been following me on Instagram, you guys noticed that today is May 6th with a freestyle concert, and that's where we're headed right now. All your old school guys that follow me and like freestyle music, today is the day. The bad thing, you already know, I can't play the music, but I'm gonna try to put maybe a little bit of background music. Hopefully YouTube doesn't pick it up. It's a complete different music than nowadays, you know. But you guys keeping up with all that new stuff, it's much different. I still like it. You know,
not my favorite.
Not your favorite?
Not my favorite.
What's your favorite music?
I like to dance.
Salsa, merengue, reggaeton, don, don, don. But yeah, freestyle music, I grew up with it and I love it. It brings me back to the past.
It takes them back to
high school days. The good old days. Do you guys remember the good old days in high school? I do. Mine were loads of fun. Actually, too much fun. So much fun that I got in trouble having fun.
Well, the girlfriends.
Me? Not me. You guys should know me by now. I don't like being around girls. Right? Right? Alright guys, so we finally made it here. The traffic was a little crazy, right? To get in? But we made it though. We're gonna have some fun.
It's actually crazy.
So let's see what the show is all about today. So we're here at the 80s freestyle dance legend. But before going into the main show, we're gonna walk around.
She has the best job in the house, getting people drunk. Oh my God.
And definitely I would like to say thank you for all the fans that came out to support and enjoy the show. And I would like to say I'm sorry if I didn't catch you on camera, but it was definitely a pleasure meeting everybody there that night. Well, if you notice my voice is kind of funny, I guess that's what I get from getting caught in the rain 2 days in a row.
Check this out, baby. Last night you didn't go. Resulta ser, hey, higher in the sky. Is this shit a blast from the past or what? Oh yeah, a couple of shout outs. First of all, we got Fresco Channel in the house. You did hot ride, my boy. Obviously, I got a big shout out to my security, my wife. Guys, this is a freestyle night. Let's do this. For Cynthia! Cause Cynthia is from New York, right? No. But And we gotta celebrate her birthday, Miami style.
Are y'all ready? Y'all singing with me, right? Well, I might be sing by myself. Ready? Here I lay all alone in the night, beside myself. So lonely, my words can't explain. And tomorrow I will wait all alone in this world. Going back to the people. Where are you tonight? When you are long in your heart, could it be that going back? Where are you tonight, my love? You're another man. When you are long in your heart, could it be?
Alright guys, so far so good. We're having a great time here at 80s Freestyle Legends. And my good friend DJ Jorge Santana rocking the shows while the artists are not on stage. And this is all brought together by Charles Rodriguez. But in the meantime, don't go away because we got more coming. We got Line and we have Frank Jolene. But that's going to be in part 2 of the video. And also from here, me and Ogita went to our favorite spot. But you guys are going to have to watch for part 2 to find out where we went.